Okay, so today's topic, it is called similarity of set. Um, Similarity of sets. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ set ಅಂದ್ರೆ it is just a group of numbers, okay? Series ತರ, it is all very similar to number series. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ I think I told you even in one class, if you are very good at number series, ಇದು mental ability ಅಲ್ಲಿ different type of questions you'll automatically do it well. Okay, that's why number series is very important. ಇವಾಗ today's topic also similarity of sets, ಇದು and number series very similar. Okay, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ set ಅಂದ್ರೆ some numbers ಇರುತ್ತೆ, okay, around 3 to 4 numbers ಇರುತ್ತೆ question ಅಲ್ಲಿ. And options ಅಲ್ಲಿ again you might have some set of numbers or only single number, anything can be given. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ what should we do? Question ಅಲ್ಲಿ whatever numbers are given, adu what is the relation between them, we should find that out, same as number series. Okay, so our relation enu we should find that out, and then options only we should check which set or which number is following the same relation. Okay, it is very almost number series, it's almost like number series. Some example problems I'll solve to understand. Okay, when I take up a question, clear ಆಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, so the first question is 15, 24 and 35. So this is a set of numbers. Okay, so this set has 3 numbers, 15, 24 and 35. Question only, this is the set of numbers. Now the options are option A 3, 7, 16. Option B 24, 15, 35. Option C 35, 16, 3. Option D 8, 15, 24. Okay, so ivaga question alli there is a set of numbers. A set alli there are 3 numbers. Options also there are sets. Okay, some questions options alli just single number irutte, but in this question each option alli there is a set. So each set has how many numbers? Options alli each set how many numbers are there? 3 numbers, correct. So question alli set of 3, even options has set of 3. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ similarity of set ಅಂದ್ರೆ first question, look at the question ಅಲ್ಲಿ what is the rule or what is the pattern followed, ಅದು check ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. What are the numbers given? 15, 24, 35. So ಇದು, if you all remember number series properly, ಇದು almost direct ಆಗಿ if you see this you can tell it is related to square of numbers. Can you tell how? Try ಮಾಡಿ. I gave you a hint, it is square of numbers. ಈ numbers ನೋಡಿ, is it how related to square of numbers? What is 4 square?
16.
Okay.
Plus 1.
16, exactly. 16 minus 1 andre this is 4 square minus 1. What is 5 square?
25.
So what is 24? 25 minus 1 andre 5 square minus 1. What is 6 square?
36.
36. Yeah, 6
36.
square is 36. 36 minus 1 is 35. So illi pattern enu, what is the rule followed here? Square minus 1. Yes, so n square minus 1, this is the rule followed. Okay, so now we got the question, we got the rule for the question. So now what should we do? Each option check ಮಾಡಬೇಕು and we should find which set is similar to this set. This is the question, andre this is the given set. We should find out from options which set is similar to this. Similar andre ಏನು same rule they are following. Okay, so whichever set is following the same rule, that is the answer. Okay, so now 4 square minus 1. Okay, what is 3 square minus 1?
8.
8. 2 square minus 1?
3.
3. Yes, 3. So ivaga we'll just check for all the numbers. So 1 square minus 1 andre anyways it is 0, we don't have to check. So starting from this, 3, 8, after 8, 4 square minus 1, 15, 24, 35. Ivaga options nodi and please tell me which is the correct option. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ there is an order. First 4 square minus 1, 5 square minus 1 and then 6 square minus 1. So clearly ಇಲ್ಲಿ set
Option D.
how should, yes, correct, option D is the answer. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು order ಅಲ್ಲಿ square minus 1 we should do. So what is 8, 15 and 24? Option D. Why 8 is sorry, not 2, 3 square minus 1, 15 is 4 square minus 1, 24 is 5 square minus 1. That is why option D is correct. So this set 8, 15, 24, this set is similar to this set. Okay, now ivaga artha aita why is the topic called as similarity of set?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so it's very almost number series tarane irutte. Okay, it's very much similar. Okay, we'll do the next one. Next one is 4, 14, 34. This is the given set. Options are option A 2, 8, 16. Option B 4, 9, 19. Option C 5, 15, 20. Option D 3, 6, 9. So 4, 14, 34. So number series alli what is the first step we do? First step ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ in number series?
Subtraction.
Difference. So we'll find ivaga first question alli adu direct agi when you see it itself you should remember square of numbers. Okay, that's why ನಾನು subtraction adella madilla because it is waste of time. Okay, because we know 15, 24, 35 andre you should remember immediately it is square of number minus 1. That's why I didn't do subtraction. But here we'll do it step by step. So first step is subtraction. So tell me first difference,
10.
10. Next difference?
20.
20.
Yes. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ನೋಡಿ relation is into 2. Correct? First 10 and then 20. So difference in first difference is 10, next difference is 20. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು relation? First 10, then next number difference ಏನು ಬರಬೇಕು? First number into 2. Correct? So ಇವಾಗ all 4 options ಅಲ್ಲಿ we will check if this rule is being followed or not. Okay? First option, let us check 2, 8 and 16. First difference ಏನು? What is the first difference?
Subtraction.
Yeah, what is the first difference? 8 minus 2. 6.
6.
Next,
6, ma'am.
next difference? 16 minus
8.
Idli, is it matching? This rule nodi 10 into 2, 20. Is 60? Is it matching? 6 into 2. What is 6 into 2?
12.
6 into 2 is 12, but only 8 is there. So it is not correct. It is not following that rule. Okay, let's check the next one. 4, 9, 19. So what is the first difference?
5.
Ma'am, 5.
Okay. Next difference?
10.
Okay.
10.
Rule match ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? Is it matching?
No, ma'am.
Why is it not matching? Rule ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ into 2 ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ? First number, ಹಾ,
5 to
first
7.
number into 2 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you should get ಇಲ್ಲಿ 8 ಬರ್ತದೆ. It is not equal. What is 5 into 2?
10.
10. So it is matching ಅಲ್ವಾ? 5 into 2 10. So ಇದು ನೋಡಿ rule match ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Okay, so that's why option B is correct. But let us check for other two options, 5, 15 and 20. So what is the first difference?
10.
Okay, next difference?
5. 5.
Yeah, 10 into 2, what is 10 into 2?
20.
Yes, 5 is there, so it is not matching. So this is not correct. Next, last 3, 6 and 9. What is the first difference?
3.
3. What is next? 9 minus 6?
3.
3. So equal also, it is not correct. What should we get here? 3 into 2 and 6 barbeku, but it is 3 here. So that's why even option 4 is wrong. So idartha aita? Did everyone understand this rule? What is the first difference ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು? First difference is 10, next difference is 20. Andre, what is the relation here? Into 2. Okay, so each optionally do the difference and check the relation. Into 2 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ we should get the next difference number. So here first difference 5, second difference 10 bantu. So what is 5 into 2? 10. That's why option B is correct. So everyone understood this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next question. 786, 975, 669. This is the question. And options are option A 399, option B 418, option C 436, option D 528. So this is a different type of question because in the options only set of numbers illa, single number ide. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is a different type of question. Sometimes idu number to number relation alla, in the same number itself digits alli relation irutte. Andre let me explain it to you. Usually itara big numbers, if you have such big numbers, you should try with sum of digits. Ivaga 786. How many digits are there here? How many digits? 786. So 1, 2, 3. 3 digits. Am I correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So 3 digit number. This is 3 digit, 3 digit and 3 digit. So add all the 3 digits and check. 786. What is 7 plus 8 plus 6? Tell me this answer. What is 7 plus 8 plus 6?
I'm 21.
21. Okay. So next number is 975. How many digits are there here?
3 digits.
3 digits. So let idu addition madi. What is the answer? 9 plus 7 plus 5?
21.
21. Okay. Last number 669. Again 3 digits ide. Do the addition. 6 plus 6 plus 9.
21.
Yes.
21.
So ivaga relation artha aita. What is the rule here? Digits add madidre we should get 21. That is the rule here. Understood? Understood the rule?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
So this is the set. E set alli for any number in this set, rule ಏನು, digits add ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you should get 21. So now options ಅಲ್ಲಿ you should check which number belongs to the set. Okay, so I think someone said the answer. What is the option? Correct option?
Ma'am, A.
Option A, correct. Let us check. 3 plus 9 plus 9. What is the answer?
21.
21. Okay. Okay, other options also check. Let's check. What is 4 plus 1 plus 8?
13.
13. So this is wrong option. Next, 4 plus 3 plus 6. What is this?
13.
13.
13.
So wrong. Last, 5 plus 2 plus 8. What is this?
15.
15. So this is also wrong. So that's why option B is correct. Okay, idartha aita. Sometimes this is also a possibility. Okay, so you can try. Neevu difference check. You can check for difference, square of number, cube of number. But idu also you should remember this. Okay, itara big numbers. When you have such big numbers, also check for sum of digits. Digits andre each number ali these numbers 7, 8, 6. They are digits. Okay, so check with sum of digits, and then a number only there might be a relation. So illi relation all the numbers are equal to 21, all the sum of digits. Okay, so we'll do the next. Idartha aita, did everyone understand this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we'll do the next one. This is the question. Options are 52, 46, 39, 28, and 17. This is the question. So, okay, first the difference, and then let us check. Okay. So, this is in descending order. So, in this way, we can do subtraction. What is the first difference? 125 minus 62.
63.
Okay. Next difference, 62 minus 35.
Ma'am, 27.
Okay. So illi there is no relation under 63 and 27. There is no such relation at all. Okay, so now before third question only we did sum of digits. Let us check that now. Okay, 125. What is 1 plus 2 plus 5?
Ma'am, 8.
Okay, next number is 62. What is 6 plus 2?
Ma'am, 8.
8.
Next, 35. So what is 3 plus 5?
8.
8. So understood what is the rule here? E set only for any number in this set, sum of digits should be equal to what?
8.
8.
Ma'am,
Eight.
answer.
Answer is E.
8. What is the answer?
E.
E, option E, correct. 17. Why? Because 1 plus 7 is equal to 8.
Right.
Yes. So yes, in the other questions, okay, we'll just check. 5 plus 2 is 7. So this is wrong. 4 plus 6 is?
10.
10.
So this is also wrong. Next is 3 plus 9, which is 12. So either wrong. And then finally 2 plus 8 is 10. This is also wrong. Okay, so 7 plus 1, 8. 17. Option E is the correct answer. So 17 can belong to this set. Andre, this set and 17 is similar. Okay, that's why the topic name is called similarity of set. Okay, so did everyone understand this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we'll do the next question. Two 116, 343 and 512. Option A 676, option B 482, option C 386, option D 125, option E 121. This question, it is very simple, very direct. In numbers nodidre you should be able to remember what it is. I'll give you just 1 minute time. ನೀವು try ಮಾಡಿ. It is very straightforward. ಈ numbers ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ you should remember what is the relation. I'll just take 1 minute time. If anyone, if you know the answer, you can tell me. Then if not, I'll tell you.
Cube numbers.
Exactly, it's cube of numbers. Good. 216, 343, 512. So 216 is cube of which number?
6.
6 cube, correct. Next, 343, cube of which number?
7 cube.
7 cube. And this one, 512?
8.
8
cube.
Correct. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ relation ಏನು? ಈ set ಅಲ್ಲಿ only cube of numbers should be there in that set. Correct? That is the rule here. A set ಅಲ್ಲಿ only cube of numbers should be there. So now what should we do in the options? We should check for cubes of numbers. That's it. So
Ma'am,
what is the answer?
option D.
Option D. Correct. Why option D? What is 125?
5 cube.
Correct. Exactly. 5 cube is 125. That's why it is option D. What is 4 cube?
64.
64. 3 cube?
27.
27.
Yes. 2 cube?
8.
2 cube is 8. Correct. So I told you correct. 1 to 10 at least you should remember. What is 9 cube?
7 to 9.
7 to 9. 10 cube is easy. 10 cube andre after 1 put 3 zeros. That's it. That is only 10 cube. Okay, so 1 to 10 cubes, remember. See, Adik, if you remember, ನೀವು difference, checking difference and all that, ಅದೆಲ್ಲ time waste ಆಗಲ್ಲ. If you remember the cubes directly, question after seeing the question, you can tell that it is cube of numbers. Okay, so that's why practice cubes of numbers. So okay, idartha aita? Everyone understood? It is very simple. What is 121? Is it a square of any number?
11.
Yes, 121 is 11 square. Good. You should remember like this. Okay. Okay. So now we'll do the next question. Ten, 13, 36. Option A 93. Option B 79. Option C 62. Option D 58. Option E 52. So here, okay, first we'll check with difference. So what is the first difference?
3.
3. Next, what is the next difference?
23.
Okay. So 3 and 23, there is no relation. Correct? No relation. Remember number series only I told you, if subtraction, after doing subtraction ಏನು pattern ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ next ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, we can try with division. Correct? But ಇಲ್ಲಿ division ಮಾಡಕ್, there's nothing to do with division because 13 divided by 10, 13 is a prime number. Correct? 13 is a prime number, so 13 divided by 10 or 36 divided by 13. I think 36 divided by 13 also you won't get anything. So division also will not work out. Let us try with sum of digits. So for 10, what is the sum of digits?
2.
No, check it. Sum of
1.
digits. 1, correct. 1 plus 0 is 1. Next, 13. What is the sum of digits?
4.
2.
4. Okay, next, 36. What is the sum of digits?
9.
9.
ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಪ್ಯಾಟರ್ನ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? See this? Is there a pattern here?
Yes, ma'am.
Square numbers.
Correct.
Numbers.
Yes. So for this set, what is the rule? Digits add ಮಾಡಬೇಕು and whatever answer you get, that answer should be a square of number. Correct? That is the rule here. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? We should add the given digits and the answer should be square of a number. Okay, so now we'll check. Each option ಗೆ check ಮಾಡಿ. First, what is the sum of digits? First option.
Answer is B.
Okay, we'll check it. Let's check it one by one. What is the first option? Sum of digits?
12.
12.
12.
Not a square of any number. Next option. What is the sum of digits?
Ma'am, 16.
Correct. So what is 16?
4
4
square.
square.
Correct. 16 is 4 square. That's why option B is correct. Okay, let's check for other options. What is 6 plus 2?
Ma'am, 10.
6 plus 2.
8, ma'am.
8 is also not a square. So wrong option. Next, fourth option. What is the sum of digits?
13.
13.
Yes. Again, not a square. Last option. What is 5 plus 2?
7.
7.
Yes. Only 16 is a square of number. Square of which number? It is 4 square. Okay, that's why option B is correct. So, Artha Aita, this is how this topic is also simple and very similar to number series. So, nimge number series, if you are able to do it well, even this will be very easy for you. Okay, so any doubts, anyone?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
Okay then. That's it for today. We'll meet in the next class.